Hello and welcome back to Solstice Store. We thought we'd do a little tour of everything that's changed recently. Things are moving at an incredible pace for us, which is obviously fantastic. What that does mean is quite a few things have changed here, including how we use the space. As you can see outside here, we consistently have large pallets arriving. So we needed to change our space up, use it a bit better. So let's have a look around, see the changes, and see how we're looking. So here in the kitchen, not much has changed at all. You have an air fryer, a kettle, a toaster, everything that you'd probably need. Got snacks and everything like that. The kitchen is obviously not the main point. But what you might notice here in the window is we are now a UPS access point. Now that we're a UPS drop point, it means that we make money per UPS box that goes out, which is very beneficial for us. It also means that we deal with the public. So we've had to change the space around a little bit more to make that a bit more user-friendly. Over here onto the main floor then, our one table system has changed dramatically. We now have two massive packing tables, as you can see here. We've also changed our desk layout. As you can see now, I've got a bit more of a standing worktop with a laptop on a stand, constantly sitting down, getting back up again. Whilst it's nice and relaxing sometimes when you're packing boxes at speed, is not helpful. Having a laptop at a decent height for me able to check through my Amazon, make sure everything's going out okay, and do my shipments from here, as opposed to coming back down here and typing away. And it means you can speed through things as quickly as you need to. Not only do we have this on the right-hand side and on the left-hand side now, but we also have this massive wall of racking, which really helps us keep all of our stock nice, tidy, efficient. Every one of our clients has their own boxes that we can take out, put back, depending on whether they can currently send their stock or not. We've also decided to finally give in and get ourselves a lovely big red bin. Our output of cardboard was getting a bit silly for our home bins and also the local tip. So needs must, we had to get a bin. It's fantastic, and to be honest, we probably should have done it sooner considering it's more cheap than you think. Coming over into the studio, quite a lot has changed as well. The orientation of the sofa is different. We're in the process of renovating this a little bit more still. The aim here is to have consistent podcast and content going out, which is why my ugly face is on this camera right now. A big part of this business for us is not just getting in clients and sending out their stock for them, but also helping new sellers get involved on Amazon, giving out our tips and experiences that we've had from selling on Amazon for a couple of years, and overall just adding to the community and helping out where we can. And over here, once we've got rid of the wood that we've been making a desk out of, we're gonna have a lovely green screen drop down where I can film all of the B-roll shots that I need of any products I've got out whilst I'm sourcing and making other content as well. And finally, the big addition and the reason we have moved this space around is because we've got more space. We are growing so rapidly. So here, where there was once a wall, you now see these beautiful staircase, and we're going up into the new office area. Up here, as you can see, we've got a couple of desks. Overall, the design with this was to try and keep our desk space away from our packing space. Having the separate areas is quite nice mentally, but also means that there's less clutter in the way when you're packing up boxes. Over here, we're gonna have a massive sign with the company logo going up, making it all look professional and very nice. This is the sign that our neighbor here cut for us on the business park. It is fantastic. If you need any sort of woodwork or laser printing or 3D printing done, he's got a website, he's fantastic, and he's very fair price-wise. But over here, as you can see, we've now got another packing station as well, just for complete overflow. We are gonna have to look at hiring some people in at some point to help us with the workload, so having extra space up here for packing along with the office area was a must, really. Overall, we are thrilled to have this new space, have our expansion, be a UPS access point, and everything else I've shared with you in the video. But most of all, we're excited to make more content for you guys and help out new and experienced Amazon sellers alike. So if there's anything you would like us to make a video on, drop a comment down below. You'll be seeing lots more of our faces in the next few weeks as we've been doing lots of content behind the scenes, and I'm gonna be sat behind my desk editing away an awful lot. So thanks ever so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment down below. And of course, it would really mean a lot to us if you subscribed. But until next time, thanks for watching.